Hello miss, my name is Shanuga. I have choose Alibaba.com for my bug bounty program. First of all, I have created normal account in Alibaba.com to intercept login and login request for my analyzing purposes. After that, I have login to my account and intercept my request and also responses. After I scan this Alibaba.com main page, I have got results for high level vulnerability for cross origin resource sharing. There are a lot of cross origin resource sharing vulnerability in this site in the main page only. But when we look at here, all cross origin resource sharings are point to products, only products like chipper, chain, carbon, brushes. Only they are pointed to these products. We cannot have we cannot impact critical thing to this site because of this. After that, I have intercept this this is my login request to this Alibaba.com. In here, all sensitive information is encrypted. Also this is my login ID. This is my password. Password is I use AshaNet 7070 for my password, but it is encrypted here like null value. But my login ID is exposed. Because of that, I can use social engineer attack to something, clickjack something, by getting some passwords like something. I can use normal social engineer attack for Facebook. If I lucky the passwords are same, I can log in also to this Alibaba.com. This is a bad idea, I think, to use this not encrypted in here. Email. Okay. After that, if we look at here, this is cookie value. This is cookie value, but in here we cannot find anything HTTP flag to omit XSS attacks to retrieve cookie value. We cannot see here HTTP flag here. Because of that, we can implement XSS attack for this Alibaba.com and easily retrieve this cookie value in here. And that also is a critical thing, I think, in here. But of course, they are using very powerful filters in for XSS attack in the search and feedback, everything. Because of that, I couldn't able to do something with XSS attack. If we I have sent this request to my repeater. This is same request. When I send, I didn't change anything here. When I send this, okay, send it again, we can show that there is part this called this. If we use invalid credentials for my login, the only part changes is here is this part. This all above part is same. Then I thought, if I change this success to invalid credentials, I can bypass my login. but when if I can press this again here, send to repeater, they also use success same if I change my email here, we can show that account name or password is correct. They are not using that previously header in here to change success parameter. That is very secure part. They are not using it again and again for same invalid and valid same credentials. They also use verification code for every single login. Every single login, we cannot log in again and again using same request because of verification code. And they are also using slide verification when we log in into the account. Slide verification and normal image verification code. Because of that we cannot brute force this account anyway. After that I have leave burp suit because I couldn't even done to this account to this site. After that I try everything like Nmap and in Kali we have vulnerability analysis tools, lot of vulnerability analysis tools. I try all of those, but I couldn't able to retrieve something critical thing to do critical thing to Alibaba.com. But when I use in Nikto, they are saying that the anti-click check and X-frame options header is not present. After that I try it without X-frame options header not present. We can use anti-click jack attack to allow pages only. To that I have used a simple code in here. This is HTML code. Because they are do not use this header option, I can use Alibaba.com for my iframe tag. I have used this some product URL. I have used that URL for my iframe src. For that on top I have used iframe. This is iframe CSS part for this iframe CSS part. After that I have use div CSS part. Div I have use div for div in my HTML form for display above something in this page, to show something on this page, or to hide something under the page. This is CSS part div. I have choose div as my place order free. After that I have used script. I have tell it later of this purpose, this script purpose. After then I have to show that this is my HTML file. When I run it in my Firefox, I have able to retrieve Alibaba.com in my site, in my HTML code. This is my frame border. Okay, this is frame border. Now we can surely retrieve my Alibaba.com in my HTML. Okay, before I'm going to explain this part in here, I have to explain what is my idea and what I'm going to do with this vulnerability. I have created email. I have created my own email with social engineering, with using some social engineering part. I have choose iPhone page in this Alibaba.com. Because of that, I use audio iPhone 11 Pro Max freely in AliExpress. Be hurry before they solve this bug. After that, I note some two things here. Don't scroll the page. I use don't scroll the page because if we scroll this page, the placeholder free part going to move here and there. After that, I use press Ctrl Shift I until your placeholder button become changed to placeholder free. I use this part because if I doesn't use this CS part, I use I backspace one character from this because this script and this part is connected each other. Okay, if we reload this page, we can look placeholder free button. It's just text. It render first. After that, the placeholder button becomes aligned to each other. Because of this problem, I use this press Ctrl Shift exclamation means nothing. It just do nothing until your placeholder button become changed to placeholder free. It doesn't mean it doesn't do nothing, but because of this part we can use script. I use script. I enable the script by typing L here, style. In div id placeholder free thing, I used style display none. Because of this, placeholder free is not displaying at this moment. After that, I use iframe script. This is my script. Window.onload equal function when our page is render completely, this function happening. After that, my function is document get element foot means div id style.display equal box. This is my script part. Purpose from this script part is after 7 seconds the placeholder free text is rendered in page. After that, after like 5 seconds, this whole Alibaba.com page is rendering. After that, after 2 seconds after completely rendered in this Alibaba.com, the placeholder free is aligned to this button. Until then, user press some random keys in keyboard. Okay, I execute this. Save. Okay, I'm reload this. Oh, our text is not rendering here. After 7 seconds, until this get here, our placeholder free button is rendering here. Because of that, I use in here audio iPhone 11 Pro Max freely. Free button is appear here, placeholder free. After user click here, they can click here because I use padding. I use this padding is 1 for bottom part. because of that anyone can click here. Okay, when user click this place order free button, they are ordering this iPhone and insert in their cart. They are not ordering this iPhone freely. This is I can do with this X-frame header. Option header is not present. This is just a host. I'm in my machine. I need to send this link to someone to do something there to their account. Because of that, I use ngrok and Python name as simple HTTP server. In here, I have created the server, and in here I have tunnel my traffic. Because I hosted this HTML file, I can use this URL to access anyone to this site, to this HTML file. I have included that URL in this link. Because of that, no one can think they are going to my host machine or Alibaba.com. After I click this, we can so the same happens like my normal HTML. This is all I can able to do with in this week. Okay, I will try to do more impact to this website in next week. Thank you.